Did you know space isn't completely silent? It actually has sounds, but they're invisible and inaudible to us. What you're hearing now is a sonification of the star V838 Monocerotis, located about 20,000 light-years away at the edge of our Milky Way. Scientists translated the star's changing brightness and the light from surrounding dust and gas into sounds, creating a real cosmic symphony. Space is full of electromagnetic waves and pulsars, sending signals with frequencies that can be translated into sounds. Astronomers convert these waves into music, some eerie, some hypnotic. These sounds aren't like normal music. So next time you look up at the sky, remember, the universe is singing a song only science can hear. Like and follow deep curiosity for more cosmic mysteries.